This video joins us back in sequence with this car. Now that we've moved to the new house, finished the suspension, we have finished the gas tank, picking up the engine reassembly from where we left it before we moved, which was the last video. This video is getting the outer part of the engine taken apart, getting the cylinder heads put on with proper pushrod tubes this time, then starting to actually assemble the engine, getting the heads on, getting everything torqued, getting the oil cooler put on, and then getting ready to start assembling the outer case of the engine. I hope you enjoy.
In preparation, I bought a completely new set of pushrod tubes and painted them black. Got all the hoses installed on the gas tank. Hooking up the gas gauge wires. It's a German car, so the brown wire is ground and it goes to the body. The black wire is the hot, so it goes to the center terminal. Dismantling the engine outer parts. Muffler off. Heater box off. Heater box off. Loosening up the fan shroud. Fan shroud off with generator still attached. 3 pieces of the intake manifold. 1, 2, 3. Taking off the cylinder engine tin. Putting seals on the now painted pushrod tubes. Rocker arm assemblies and pushrods out and getting ready to take the heads off. Heads off and extract the spring type pushrod tubes.
Insides of the pistons look decently oiled, so maybe you don't have to worry especially. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, yep. That's right. The lifters, boy, the lifters have oil in them. Holy cow.
Alright, I'm installing the heads with the actual steel pushrod tubes. From now on, everything I install on the engine is for real and will be permanent.
Alright. They are... Pushrod tubes are, I believe, now seated. The proper ones, the steel ones.
Now the right side. Take the head off, remove the spring pushrod tubes, get the pistons oiled up, install the real pushrod tubes with the head, get the nuts put on, and get everything loosely connected before I start actually torquing things. Note here, I'm just tightening down the nuts and taking up the slack. Now I actually start torquing, and by the manual I start by torquing all the bottom bolts and then all the top bolts. That's what you do for the first round. Nuts on the bottom on the other side. Now checking to make sure all the head nuts have taken their initial torque. Here, checking to make sure all the pushrod tube seals are seated and are all compressed properly between the head and the block. Now starting the main torquing sequence where you do the 4 nuts in the middle and then the 4 nuts on the outer corners, and then go around doing that all the way up to full torque.
Getting some oil down the bearings. I was trying to get the bearings to flow a little bit, or turn the crankshaft so that the bearings would absorb a little bit more oil. And I don't know if you can hear this. But it's hissing because the cylinders are compressing. So I'm going to loosen the spark plugs.
The oil cooler.
This is all assembled and ready to go in the engine. Now that the engine has been oiled. One bolt into a stud on the top there, and then 2 holes in the block that receive the 2 studs, oil cooler housing, and the 2 seals, which end up in between, that get compressed into recesses so that they expand out and seal the proper way. I hope you enjoyed that video. The next video will be getting the rest of the engine all put together and ready to go in the car. There's going to be a video about the oil system, and then I think it's time to start the engine on this. I hope you stay around. I hope you subscribe so you can see more videos. Work on your car if you can. Drive safe and never stop figuring stuff out.